What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to show you the WPL's new crawler. Now let's unbox it. The tears and the forms. Look at it. This is the first WPL's official tear forms. This is a new crawler. Wow, this is a kid version. No, I think you guess it. This is the new C54 Toyota LC80. Now this is a menu. There's a lot of it. Look at the body. Hard body. I think, sorry, the doors can't open. A lot of. Now let's see what inside it. This must be the back tears. The plastic body and the hood can open. This must be the windshield, the interior. Back tears. This must be the screen, the shock screens, lights, screws. But I think it's like some other stuff. The motor, ESC, servo. So this must be the sample version, the previous version. This tears and the forms. After a long time, I finished assembled the WPL C54 Toyota LC80's hard body. Now look at it, so beautiful. Let's use this tool. To open the hood. So you can put the batteries here, or the sound systems here. The wiper and the rear mirror. You can see the rear mirror. This is a metal and it's so shiny. Just look at the rear mirror. Back tears, roof rack, and the roof latch. Here is a ladder here, and you can put it. Oh, it's hard to disassemble. By the way, the WPLs provide some other grills. Look at this grill and this front bumper, and you can even remove the rack pack, the roof rack, and use this tool. By the way, this is new tires. Look at the wheels, some details here, and they are foam inside the wheel, so it have more support than this without foam. So beautiful detailed. By the way, this hardbody only fit for the WPL's C40 or C24. This hardbody don't fit for the newest C34 or C44 platform. And this is left stickers here. Stickers. Next time I will put this hardbody on the WPL C24, the pickups. Now thanks for watching. Please make comments down below and I will see you next time. Bye.